Okay, I'm here with Alex, and you've got something new to show me.
It's not quite finished, but with this, at these times, we know people are desperate to get little garden offices in the garden. So we wanted to build something really small, just to show that even in the smallest space, we can build a garden office. We're still waiting for some parts to arrive. We only built it yesterday,
Right.
so it's just to get it on video. But I'm going to wait for 3 or 4 days. So it'll be next Thursday before the video's ready, before these parts come in to finish.
Okay.
Off. So
Yeah, no worries. So what is this? Is it an 8-foot?
This is actually an 8-foot by 4-foot garden studio, which seems tiny.
Yeah.
How could you work in an 8-foot by 4-foot space? But this is going to be my office. And when you look around, we've got lots of office space here. But the thought of this being my office, so I'm going to put my pictures up of my grandchildren, my wife and my favourite stuff in here. So I've got my desk, so I can sit here at my desk. And the beauty of it is, I mean, this is the workshop, this place here. So I'm in building number 56.
Okay.
So that's all the workshops. And the fact that it's got glass means that you don't feel
tiny.
caged in. So I'm looking at, well, you can see my view.
Yeah.
It's not the worst view in the world, is it? Looking out over
Oh, it's not bad. Yeah.
rambling fields, and of course then I can look over at the workshop and see what everybody's doing.
Yeah. Keep an eye on them all.
No, I don't need to keep an eye on them. They're wonderful. It's nice to be here, and I can just watch what's going on. But then, if I want to make phone calls, you know, I can work with my computer there, or if I want to sit down on my IKEA chair and casually make a phone call, you know. And that's all you need, isn't it, to work?
Yeah.
That's all I need is my map of the workshops, a little bit of paper, I hate paper, and let's get rid of it. It's only bringing fingerprints in, so, you know.
So that could also be a visitor's chair then as well.
Yeah,
You're on your office chair.
You know, and you have got the benefit of, in the old-fashioned way, looking down at them. No, but it's just a comfy chair, so that you could sit down. You know, you do get fed up, don't you? Sitting at the same chair, so you could sit down at that chair. I am going to put a side table in, and you know, again.
Yeah. So basically, that's the fuse box wall, then, isn't it? With the fuse box, the light switch,
socket,
and double socket, and then you've got a double socket under there.
I mean, you could put blinds in. That's not a problem. And the thing that we've introduced here is the new 4-foot window. So it's not quite finished.
What that is.
So, you know,
so it's got a panel to the left of it.
Yeah, we've put a panel there because it'd be hard to get a blind that size. So putting a panel there, I don't feel it's any better.
That's all right. Yeah, that looks good.
So putting a panel there, you can put stuff on.
So the frontage is basically 3 sections.
3 sections.
A tilt window, a door, and then a fixed window.
Yeah, so you've got your 8-foot.
So it's 8-foot by 4-foot.
Normal 8-foot setup, and then we've got here. As I say, we have been working with it. So we've got the new 4-foot window. So it's our standard window, but you just couldn't split that down. It's too small.
Yeah. So and that's the panel there next to it. Right.
But then if we walk you over to, you know, you can see the finish. But let's walk you over to this. Well, let's walk around this way. Sorry, jumping in your screen.